Hi, this is Kapil Gunjigar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjigar Life Vlogs. And yes, this is continuation part. I mean like continuation of Clash of Clans Clan Games Part 3. And yes, I'm recording in the same shirt with the same this thing. I'm recording the intro part and the when you have time, so record the intro and the outro, because now I know that I'm going to keep on uploading the COC Clash of Clans Clan Games, and that too, not just one part but 2, 3, 4, maybe fourth part would be the final part. Most probably I'm working on it, I'm editing on it. See, my laptop is in the sleep mode, but in the background the fourth part is getting edited and I'm saving it. Basically, yes, this is continuation part 3, Clash of Clans Clan Games. Go check out my entire video. I'll meet you at the end of the video. Bye. Attention, like Multimotor's attention towards the battle machine and the cannon card do their job of destroying maximum possibility of damage. If they are able to break this builder hall, yes, 2-star 50%, because 1 star of damaging a builder hall and 1 star for getting a damage percentage of 50%, so 2 stars. So on an average 2 stars per attack. And now these wall breakers are doing maximum damage by destroying the gold storage under fire by cannon. Still trying to increase the damage by damaging the elixir storage. That is the end of it. Now I have reduced the percentage of damage. That is not the priority. See, even before my versus battle is over, my attack is over, but the versus battle is not over. So result is not out, but still I'll do return home. Oh, the result is over. Guys, this is the 3rd victory in a row, 3-win bonus awarded. I'll say okay, and I'll say return home, and see, that is 6 out of 20 challenge progress. So this is how, and I have already won some season challenge. Oh, season challenge star. Dark elixir, I'll collect the season challenge as well, but that doesn't make much difference. I have to continue because I have to collect 14 stars more. And this one is a tricky one, guys. This one is a real tricky one. I'm not able to understand from where to attack, but still I'll go from here, and I prefer going in right. Yes, see, the cannon cards, they are not. Yes, my strategy is working. Battle machine is distracting the other defenses, and the main defense, like, oh, 1 star is there. This is the use of battle machine because it has a lot of tanking capacity and takes the damage on itself and distracts the main defensive systems or defensive buildings or defensive buildings basically in this game. So all my offensive troops are expended, I suppose, except yes, done. But 2 stars again. So the consistency is the name of the game, guys. If you consistently perform like this, I say okay, return home. See, 8 stars out of 20. I have only done 4 attacks. I am waiting for this. Oh, did I get the result as well? Yeah, I got the result as well. I don't know, I won or lost. That is not the important thing, because I am basically focused on getting 20 stars. That is it, nothing else. I don't know what to do. I'll basically start from here with the battle machine, and oh, I have not selected the troops. I forgot to select the troops. So battle machine taking the beating till that time a little longer. wall breakers breaking the wall, making way to the cannon card, and the multi-mortar has been destroyed. Now the cannon cards go in, target the town hall, get 1 star. Now target the other defensive buildings and get maximum destruction. Oh, 50%, so 2 stars. Battle machine still alive. Last powers, like, yes. Finished. That's the end of it. I mean, like, of this particular attack. But still 2 star, guys. I still got 2 stars. Imagine if you are not getting any stars. Imagine if you are getting only 1 star per attack. Oh, he's going to win this one, I suppose, because he's already got 75% destruction. So I've got 50% of... There are requests, guys. See, these guys are like request. This fellow wants max level rage. That two rages. Max level of balloons. That 7 balloons. This fellow wants 1 dragon. 1 electro dragon, 2 balloons, 2 free spell, and 1 that siege machine which bombs like hot air balloon.
14 minutes over.
हाँ, चलेगा. Guys, this was the multilingual, English as well as Hindi. Stop and bekara. In this way, you have to complete the clan game. चालू it. I'm not going to click on it. I'll attack from here. He takes the mid path and he's going that way. Is he going to go in? No, he's not going in. So I'll try to attack from here, and I also want... Oh, the battle machine goes in. That's the great thing. So that... See, my cannon cards have been destroyed a lot because of this cannon. But even that has been destroyed, and this archer tower, my battle machine has been lost. Will I get 50%? Because yes, I only got 50%. Because I didn't break the town hall, but the total percentage damage is 50, so I got only 1 star. Not a big deal. No problem at all. At least I got 1 star. So I say okay. So this is like, see, I already lost. That's not a problem. I just want to go ahead. Sorry, because there is a light. Mami, a light asla, bada wala. This being a multilingual, guys. I'll attack from here. See, I am trying to get maximum stars. Oh god, I got only 1 star again in this attack. I don't know if I'll be able to get 2nd star. I don't think I'll be able to. No, not at all. See, in this way, 12 stars collected. If you are not able to keep up with those progress bars, you can again come back to home village, go over here where the clan games are there, click on the building, see your progress. See, I have completed 12 stars with continuous attacking, continuous playing the game. I am playing the game as well as I am doing a recording, so both the work have been done. Like, I am also playing, along with it I am also doing a YouTube video recording and editing and playing the game. All the multitasking basically. And I need 8 more stars just to get 400 medals. So if I get 400 medals, where will I be? See, yeah. right over here. See, it gets highlighted by blue background, Mrs. Alien. It also says a timer, and the score is 1050 plus 400 medals. So it will be 1450 if once I finish this challenge. So I'll go back by the boat to the builder base. Find now. Sorry for dead air. I'll send from here. Then the wall breakers. See, the multi-mortar is busy attacking. Even the double cannon was busy attacking the battle machine. He is breaking the storages. He is not bothered. He is taking all the damage, entire tanking. He is not bothered. Basically, this is the reason. So 1 star, I already got 1 star because I broke the builder base. I mean, my troops broke the builder base. That's the reason I got 1 star. If there is a 2nd star because of the 50% completion, 50% of damage being completed. So there are 2 stars. If you're able to completely destroy, the damage is 100% damage, you would get the 3rd star as well. As you could see, there is a remaining star over here. Only if there is 100% damage, you would get the 3rd star. So if I say, oh, he is still attacking the opponent, so I say return home. See, it says the progress bar, challenge completed, whatever that was. I think it was on, I lost. Yes, this is end of the part 3. Now, earlier, as I told you in part 2, that due to time limitation from the YouTube, this is part 3. This is the end of the part 3. I will be trying to cover clan games rewards after the end of part 4. Basically, videos are being recorded. They are in the process of editing or maybe edited. I'll be uploading those later on. So this is the end of the Clash of Clans clan games part 3, and upcoming Friday you will be seeing the final part of it, and after that you will be seeing clan game rewards, which rewards I choose and why I choose those rewards. You may differ, many COC players may differ according to their stage or their level or their requirements. They may change their rewards, so not necessarily you should also take that, or you should also opt for those kind of rewards. You may differ and I may differ, that differs from person to person, but basically that is what I'm going to tell you, the way I told you from my wife's account what is clan games, how I choose my clan games challenges, and how I complete, and what is the importance of completing the clan games challenges. And in the final part, I will be completing all my individual target would be completed. My wife's individual target would be completed in the final part, which is coming on next Friday. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. If you have liked this video, press the like button, share this video to all, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification button and select the option all. Bye. Stay safe, stay blessed.